Hello friends, today I'm going to walk you through the agent panel which is available directly on your HAPPI conversational bot interface. So if you click on the left hand side burger menu, you will see new search, chat, favorites, etc. and you'll see agent panel at the bottom. Click on the agent panel and it brings you to your property portfolio page. Now if you're an agency, and we have directly indexed and crawled your website. In this case, we are using Beecham Estates website. Then all your properties are going to be here. In this case, we have 170 properties which are listed on the website, and our system actually crawls, indexes, and saves the property listings, both rental and sale, right here. Now, in your property listing, you can open any of the listing. You can view the details. You can edit them here if you want to. If you want to add a phone number for contact, the property photos are there. And it also captures the actual listing. So you can cross-check it against your actual listing on the website. So for any listing, you can actually generate the health score. And the way to do it is to go here, view, and you have to click on generate health score. Now this takes about 5 to 10 minutes. It's working. So what it does is it looks at the listing that you have, it finds the closest competing listings, 5 to 10 listings, and then compares how your listing stacks up against them and gives a score on various criteria. Let's take a look at one of the properties which has been scored. So let's look at this £9.25 million property on North Audley Street. The intelligence score has been generated over here. Completeness of the listing, it tells you what are the items missing. Quality of the listing, the quality of photographs, the description, etc., etc. Competitiveness of the listing, which is actually the pricing that you put and how it compares with other properties which the same user or buyer may consider and wish to go for, how it stacks up. In this property, you will notice that against a market median of £2,700 per square foot approximately, this property is priced at £3,600 and the score is therefore low. And the other thing is the market fit. How does it fit in the car market? How many active listings are there? What are the median days on market and so on. And then it gives its comments, highlights, risks. It gives you precise, actionable recommendations. Okay. Replace placeholder images and verify all media URLs load externally. And publish guide price rationale versus nearby comps to preempt value questions. Add granular facts, tenure years, service charge, EPC, council tax. Consider pricing, terms flexibility, or value add inclusion to narrow it down. And then it also shows you the other properties it has compared it against. So there's an 8.3 mil property on South Street, another one on South Street, 10.5 million, Green Street, etc. You can actually go and check out those listings so that you can have your own, as an expert agent, evaluation as to what are the actions you will take. But this is a great way to see what you've posted, what you've listed, how does it compare to the market, and this actually gives you the data to go back to the owner or the landlord to make any adjustments that need to be done. And of course, you can add a property directly over here, or you can upload a file. You can upload an Excel or a PDF file. So all you have to do is to go to upload file, and suppose you have the property as a PDF. You can choose your PDF file, and that uploads it. And you can choose what kind of access you want to give users for it. So full access means they will be able to choose access all the information about the property that you have in the PDF. But limited access or no access restricts the kind of information that is available. In case of no access, it just does a reverse matching. No information about the property is given to the user. On the other hand, the user with the requirements that match your off-market property is brought to you, is revealed to you, so that you can do your KYC and decide how to proceed. So it's simple, upload, and in about a few minutes, the property would be in the system. And now you have your off-market properties available for search and discovery